Guys, we're doing another video, but this time it is a cooking show.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, Bennett. This is Bennett's mom helping with the cooking show.
Okay.
Okay. We're making pancakes
guys,
ahoy.
First, we mix it.
We're making pancakes ahoy. That's pancakes with obviously chips ahoy.
Yes, we are.
Okay. Start adding the
Chocolate chip.
and meanwhile Guillermo Guillermo's making
pancakes with
waffles.
waffles, I say.
Waffles ahoy with chocolate sauce and strawberry sauce.
Yeah.
Okay, so pour your waffle in,
Okay.
in your waffle maker.
Okay,
While Bennett
guys.
crushes up his cookies. Wait, Ben, Guillermo, let me give you a better spoon.
I need a better spoon. Oh, that one.
Yeah. Okay, Guillermo, be careful. In the middle, right in the middle. Okay, do another spoon.
Chips.
And you add more chips ahoy.
Chips. Could I take one? Could I?
You put it in the
Could I
pan.
eat one?
Not right now.
This is
You have to do it faster, Guillermo. You have to do it faster. Because we don't want it to cook uneven.
uneven.
Yeah.
Uneven.
Uneven, right. Okay, let's close that.
Close.
And
Let's
wait for it to
smush.
cook.
Smush. Smush.
Okay, so let's pause the video and we'll continue after we see the final product, okay?
Bye-bye.
Well, Ma, we can only do one video.
Okay, well, we'll do a video continuing, okay?
But I mean, we can only do one video.
We could do one video and then we could do another video, continuation, because this video is going to be too long. The viewers can't wait for us to cook everything. So end the video and tell them to watch for the continued video.
Okay, guys.
We're going to continue after everything cooks to show the final product.
Yeah, we are going to make a final showing, and then that will be in the shorts, okay? Okay, guys?
And why not?
Bye! Bye!